Now, before we begin, you'll need to do a couple of things. Firstly, check you have the right inner tube for your bike. To do this, have a look at the inside of the tyre wall. For this bike, it's 27.5 by 1.95. You'll also need the following: a pump, pliers, gloves, and some tyre levers. Grab your tyre levers. Take the valve cap off the wheel and put the hook, which is inside the tyre lever, up into the valve. Push it down to release any excess air to help remove the tyre from the rim. Now grab your other tyre lever, rotate the wheel a little, place into the beading, lifting it up and away all around the tyre. Do this again on the other side and slip the tyre off, removing the inner tube from the rim. Put your old inner tube to one side and grab the tyre rim. You need to check to see what caused the puncture by running your fingers carefully around the inside of the tyre. Once you've found the culprit, remove it using some pliers. We now need to inflate our new inner tube so it has shape and can easily sit in the tyre. So we need to put the new tyre back onto the bike wheel. Make sure the arrow on the tyre is pointing forward to its direction of travel. Push the valve on the inner tube down into the valve hole on the wheel. Make sure that it sits straight through the valve. Next, locate the rim and the beading together on both sides of the wheel. The tyre lever can help you for this if it gets tight. Nearly done. Just need to inflate the tyre to the correct pressure that's recommended on the tyre wall. In my case, it's between 40 to 65 psi. Finally, fit the valve cap back on to make sure nothing nasty gets inside the valve. Once you've done all of this, you're ready to reinstall your wheel back onto the bike. Tighten the skewer back up and close the lever off. Check the wheel is straight and connect it back up on the brake. Now you've reinstalled both your tyre and your wheel, you're good to go. If you don't fancy getting your hands dirty, don't worry. Bring your bike into your local Halfords and a member of the team will be happy to help you in performing an inner tube replacement.